Today I'm making a delicious sambal belacan or shrimp paste chili dip. This recipe is for 8 to 10 servings. The ingredients needed are 10 pieces of red bird eye chili or chili padi, 2 red chili, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of paste sugar or granulated sugar, half tablespoon of fish sauce, and 65 grams of belacan or shrimp paste. The full list of the ingredients is in the see more link. I have 2 gloves here. This is optional. Put them on to shield your hand to prevent the strong smell of the belacan from sticking to your hands. Grab and press all the belacan together to become as flat as possible, like this. Place a stainless steel pan on the stove. Switch on the heat. Place the belacan directly on the pan. Garlic, red chili, and bird eye chili. This is to dry roast the ingredients. Avoid using non-stick pan to dry roast ingredients as strong heat easily damages the non-stick pan. Grill the belacan over the foil, banana leaves, and charcoal fire works as well. And for the chili and garlic, use a skewer stick. Dry roast all the ingredients for 10 minutes. Rotate and flip between to evenly roast them. Turn the bird eye chili often as they are small and cook faster. Turn the red chili as well. Flip the belacan to the other side as the bottom is already cooked. It has released its aroma too. And turn the garlic as well. After 10 minutes, all the ingredients, including the belacans, are cooked. Remove them from the pan. Switch off the heat and rest the pan to cool before washing it. Put the belacan in a mortar. Place a towel underneath to absorb the table surface impact from pounding. Pound and break the belacan for about 1 minute or until fine. Remove the bird eye chili stem and add it to the belacan. Add in all the garlic. Cut the red chili to fit into the mortar. Pound all the ingredients for 2 minutes until fine and well mixed. Scrape some of the chili belacan from the side of the mortar. Alright, this should be great. Add in the paste sugar. One tablespoon of lime juice. And half tablespoon of fish sauce. Use the pestle to press and mix the belacan and the liquid ingredients together. At this stage, please do not pound with the speed as the liquid from the mortar may splash. Alright, it is well mixed now. Give it a taste. It is good, very spicy and delicious. More seasoning can be added as preferred. For me, I like it a bit more sour. So adding 1 more tablespoon of lime juice. Mix it again until well combined. Alright, it is ready. Transfer it into a serving bowl. Otherwise, I recommend storing it into the airtight glass bottle in the fridge. This can last for up to 2 weeks. It can be enjoyed with rice, fried fish, and fresh vegetable. Let's enjoy the sambal belacan with a lot of fresh and crunchy vegetable. Having it with a long bean. It is so good. 4 anchor beans. Very fresh and lovely. Mint leaf. Wow, this is super fresh and awesome. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.